YouTube family, and welcome back. If you are new, welcome. We are family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? I hope y'all are doing all right. Let me know down in the comment section how y'all are doing. Like, I really want to know y'all. So let your girl know. Today I'm bringing y'all another video on these pop smoke braids. If you watched my last video, I did the same exact style on my daughter, and then my sister-in-law came and was like, hey, sis, hook your girl up, do my hair exactly like my niece hair. So that's what we did, y'all. So I did her some, it's about eight, I believe. Yeah, it's about 8 stitch braids. Coming down with the curls on the end, y'all. I have plenty of videos on how I do my feed-in braids, like stitch braids. I'll make sure I leave one down below. You'll be able to find that in the description bar, and then everything that I use will also be down below in the description section. So make sure you click that and check everything out. All my products are on my Amazon storefront. I also have products that have an edge control. I have some vision combs, the combs that you see me using now. You can find those on my website at Artryssaglamtresses.com, as well as my booking link. So if y'all are in, the Texas area, close to, Dallas or whatever, come see your girl, and I will most definitely hook you up. I haven't talked on a video in 2022, y'all. It's a new year. We have made it to a new year. Oh my God, I am so grateful, so thankful for that. Y'all, Happy New Year. Y'all rude in mine. Like, I should have said that first. Happy New Year, family. I love y'all, and I'm so glad that we made it to see another year. I know, COVID is back on the rise. Oh my God, I'm so tired of it. I really am. But we still have to do what we can do to protect ourselves, and especially our babies. I don't know about any of y'all, but they're starting to close schools down again. And so, yeah, this stuff is getting back bad, y'all. So just make sure you're taking care of yourself. Wear your mask even if you're vaccinated. Continue to wash your hands and social distance. Like, I understand, we all want to get out. We all want to have fun, and that's fine. But still take those precautionary measures to make sure everybody stays safe. That's it, y'all. We gonna make it through 2022. We are. This is gonna be a great year. I'm claiming it, not only for me but for y'all too. This is gonna be a good year. Let me know down below if you made a New Year's resolution. Let me know something that you wrote down. One of mine is to be more consistent on YouTube. Like, I need to pump out more content, y'all. Like, I literally do hair every day, and sometimes I'll get so lazy. I'm like, I don't want to do this today, but I know y'all wait on these videos, so I'm gonna be more consistent on here with y'all. But let me know, like, do y'all have any other styles that y'all want to see? Let your girl know. Okay. This style took me about an hour and a half to complete, from the beginning to the end. And yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna do any more talking. I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch. I love y'all so much, and I thank you for rocking with me and for watching my videos. If there's any specific hairstyles that you guys would like to see, make sure you leave it down below. Also, let me know how you're doing down below, and leave one of your New Year's resolutions down below. And I will see y'all in the next video.